3 years ago, Derek found himself on his way to Stokesley in North Yorkshire. He'd been told that one of the rarest cars in the country had just been discovered.
By crumbs, it is rotten, isn't it? Dear oh Lord, look at the state of that.
You need a heart like a football to do anything with it.
The car, or at least most of it, was dragged away. Derek was questioned.
Derek, at which point did you think this might be a good idea?
Oh, every point, I'll still believe it.
But the interest grew.
Correspondence from all over the globe. Emails from all over the place.
To be truthful, we were sick and tired of unsheeting it all the time, constantly.
Don't scratch it.